आयुष एंड महिमा, a big round of applause इन दोनों के लिए। और आज है अंतिम फिल्म का प्रमोशन, हम सबको ही फिल्म देखनी जानी है। And now I'm handing over the mic to Miss Kushali. तो कुशाली के
to give you all a little gist, which you actually do not need. There is no need of introduction here. But Ayush sir here was in a very famous 2018 film, Love. We'll be lucky to hear from you. Is there something you'd like to share about the film, both of you? What's up, Thakur? I am so happy to be back, and nothing beats the feeling to be back here and promote our very own film, Antim. So, क्या Antim देखेंगे कि नहीं? Thank you so much, ma'am, sir, for having us here. I'm feeling so proud, and right now I'm beaming with a lot of pride to be back at my very own college, and I'm just so happy. And right beside me is the star of the film, and that's Ayush Sharma. So over to you.
What's up, Thakur College? Why are you guys behaving so much, yeah? Like in college, we don't need to behave and all that. In college, have some fun. We need to enjoy ourselves. Don't worry, for the last 15 minutes, I was having a conversation with a beautiful principal, and I was asking ma'am, can we please break some discipline codes today? Because, you know, yeah, so I was, see, we were negotiating that for all of you so that you can have a lot of fun today. But most importantly, thank you so much, ma'am, for having us over. Thank you for giving us an opportunity. And thank you so much for a beautiful introduction. But most importantly, I am very happy here because, you know, when we were shooting Antim, she used to keep talking about her, you know, when she started when she was at the age of 9, and she was shooting, and she used to be in school, and she used to be traveling, and she used to come back for exams. And now she's, you know, she came to Thakur College, and she was constantly doing something or the other. And that really inspired me. Because most importantly, I would like to thank our beautiful principal, because sometimes what happens is that when we talk about acting, people always focus on education. They don't give the person a chance to go and act. And acting is always considered one of those, you know, extracurricular things. So first of all, a big round of applause for your principal for giving Mahima this shot. Ma'am, thank you so much. I mean, firstly say that you're promoting acting, you're promoting your career into acting, and we have an example right in front of us who has made it in Antim.
I'm sure you have a lot of promoting to do, and there's one place after the other that you're going to go to. So, I would like to ask our team.
Kushali.
Yes, sir.
So, अभी ना गाइस, आज हम बहुत मजा करने वाले हैं, because हमारी अपनी बच्ची कॉलेज में है और मिस्टर आयुष शर्मा भी कॉलेज में है। तो आज ठाकुर वाले टशन दिखा के रहेंगे। So, are you all ready? So guys, now we are playing the trailer of Antim, और इतनी जोर से ताली बजाओ कि सलमान सर चंडीगढ़ में है, तालियों की आवाज उन तक जानी चाहिए। So friends, here we have trailer of Antim, the final truth.
difficult for me to play this character, get into the skin of this character, and understand because I'm not from Maharashtra, so I didn't know the whole idea, the language, the behavior, and everything. But it was fun. I would say it was fun, and I think it was more fun because Mahima Aggarwal was there to drum the last concert.
Thank you, sir. And Mahima, what was your experience like? You know, like we want to know everything that you felt, what it was to constantly, you know, be in the hustle mode and going every day to these shoots. And I mean, just tell us what you felt and how was it a game changer for you in your career?
I think this is nothing less than a dream come true and a very big opportunity because I had an opportunity to start my Bollywood career with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, and this very amazing actor that we have to watch out for. So I had an opportunity where I could, make my transition from television to Bollywood, and I couldn't have had a better start. So it was amazing, and I feel really happy that I got to be a project which is a great script and बाकी तो सब लोग देख ही लेंगे.
Well, we have a couple of surprises planned for you from a little performance here and there from our very, very talented students who see you and get inspired. So team, can we have our beloved guests please take your seats?
अरे पीछे ही आ रहा है ये देख अरे ये देखने कितना है
Alright, before we start with our performances, can we have a huge round of applause once again for Ayush and Mahima? Alright, now the next performance is by a very, very talented young singer from our college. And I'm sure most of you heard him during the mic test and were wowed कि ये कौन है भैया इसका performance तो सुनना ही है. So before we call upon other people and we have two other things planned for them to welcome them and wish their movie all the very best. So can we have Vasu? Yes. Vasu, would you like to just say hi to our guests too?
Hi Ayush sir, hi Mahima ma'am. First of all, congratulations for the movie. The trailer is so good. I haven't watched the movie yet, but I will go with all my friends. I will be performing होने लगा from your movie. Okay. I really hope तुम दोनों को अच्छा लगे. I love you both. I really hope you enjoy my performance. Thank you so much.
Because you have a lot of hard work that goes into this, just like our actors. So, buckle up.
आगे नहीं जाऊंगा भाई नहीं जाऊंगा आगे
Mahima ma'am, I want to dedicate a song to you.
Yes, please.
Vasu for the wonderful performance. Can we all have a loud cheer for the audience because we also. Wonderful. Thanks Vasu for soothing our ears because we really love the performance. I'm sure Ayush sir and Mahima did as well. And now it's time for the second surprise that we have in store, which is the performance, a dance performance by Gauransh. So we have Gauransh here on stage to woo us and the audience with the wonderful performance. Gauransh. Thank you so much, sir.
You know, honestly, I'm here to promote my film, but this song is quite a going sober dance song. I just want to be honest. So, please cheers to this guy who has really made this song a very nice dancing song. I didn't know we can do a Michael Jackson. And your moves are bad, brother. I must tell you that. But anyway, twist, still stream the song.
I guess you guys already knew, right, that you were going to get this golden opportunity.
I really want to thank you because when I was a student, I was a very big introvert. So every time I used to come on stage, I will be like, I can't do anything, I can't dance, See where life has got me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, girls. We'll see you back on stage very soon. Now, speaking of Mahima, I'm sure it's not only the girls wooing over Ayush sir, but there are a bunch of guys who have seen her and heard of her and, maybe been lucky to see her in college as well. Would you guys like to ask some questions to Mahima that you guys have time to know from someone as beautiful as her? So, Mahima, can we have you on stage? Give it up, guys. She's our student.
So my question was for you, you have acted since a child. So how did you balance acting and education? Wasn't it difficult?
It was definitely not an easy task to simultaneously complete my studies and do what I was doing. But I think when you have such a great principal and such a great faculty to support you, life becomes easy. So I think I should thank them, Thakur College, Deepak sir, for making my school life, college life a lot more easier. So I think it was difficult, but I think you have to do what you have to do, man.
We've always seen her working, missing her lectures for her work, and she really deserves this.
Wow. It's always great to have a supportive team of friends, family, people around you. Because when you're so passionate about something as Mahima is, it is impossible to go and grab it if nobody is there on your side. So I think a big shout out to you guys. Also, Rishi, is there something you'd like to say?
Hi. So, even I've come here in this auditorium after such a long time, and that's thanks to Mahima. And thanks to Ayush for making such a wonderful movie. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mahima and Ayush? So, Mahima, I think there's a lot of things that a lot of people might know about Mahima or come to know about Mahima. But at the end of the day, she is the sweetest celebrity you will ever come across. And you know, it takes a lot to be so popular, to work with such amazing and such beautiful people, and obviously to work with the man himself, Salman Khan, and still to be as grounded as Mahima. I think she just deserves a lot of applause for that. So it's really great, and all of us Mahima's friends, we're so proud of you, and we only want you to go up, but then again come back to this college every time you promote your movie. So yeah.
Who made Tarang and so very special. So we have a little something we want to show you on behalf of our team here. So team, can we have it? Can we have the trailer please? Sorry, not the trailer, my bad. The after movie for 2019 and 2020.
जी बस एक साल ही बढ़ाओ, महिमा से 2 साल छोटा. That's it. 20 नॉर्मल बोले.
Thank you sir. Okay, we have our ladies back on stage. आप प्लान कर चुके हैं कि आपको इनके साथ खड़े रहना. ठीक है, चलिए आ जाइए. Please ask your questions one by one.
So, sir, what are your thoughts about our best Tarang? What are your thoughts about our best Tarang?
I think it's a beautiful festival. You know, during my last film, I had gone to many colleges to promote, but this time around, I've come after you know, the whole COVID situation, to come back to a college, to see this kind of warmth, to see this kind of love. I think it's beautiful, it's amazing, and I would really want to thank Mahima for suggesting that we should all come to Thakur College. And thank you so much, all of you, for having us over.
As Mahima ma'am was our college student and she described her feelings, would you like to describe your feelings about college life and like your some experience?
You know, I would refrain from that because any suggestion I give, ma'am will throw me out of from here. Yeah. See, I was studying in Jain College with my attendance not being 40% but being 80%. So, yeah. But I was lucky. I don't think 80% converts into becoming a movie star. No, please don't do that. Ma'am, sorry. I genuinely did spend too much time in college. I was chilling in Bombay. Well, that should not be the moral of the story.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Just yeah. So.
जी, मेरे लिए सबसे अधिक fond memory है because I was not from Bombay. I didn't grow up in Bombay. So when I got admitted to Jain College, that time I remember there used to be a canteen. Very Jain has a good canteen, and there used to be a guy called John. So everybody, I asked him, I was like, is your name real John? He said, no, my name is Rakesh. So I said, why people call you John? He said, because John Abraham used to sit here and have a dosa. And that's why I used to serve him, so I have been called John. So I remember that point of time, I felt one day, there will be a guy who will say, I'm Ayush, because he used to eat dosa here.
Oh my God!
I would like to really share a very personal memory, because you know, when I was in college, I remember in my first year, there used to be a HOD called Mary Ma'am. And Mary Ma'am saw my horrible attendance. And she called me one day and she said, why are you in college? You don't want to study. And I'm this 41 kilo boy, very thin boy. And she looked at me and she said, why don't you try acting? And I looked at her and said, ma'am, me and acting. Look at me, I'm 41 kilos. So she said, no, I think you can be an actor. So today, I really thank Mary Ma'am for giving me this dream, for making me pursue acting. And that's what I feel about our principal as well, who always supported Mahima. So I think when somewhere down the line, we always look at teachers like, you know, it's all about education. But somewhere down the line, they help you also develop you as a person who you are in future.
Guys,
Hello. I think this is the luckiest day for not only our students but our teachers. Getting a nice warm hug from Ayush sir.
come on, guys!
Boys, sorry, unfortunately we cannot allow you to hug Mahima, okay? We're sorry if we're breaking your expectations. Yeah, she's thanking me because no one. You have to be a very close friend of Mahima's to be able to hug.
Guys, so ये भाई का बर्थडे सॉन्ग इस बार हर बर्थडे में बजना चाहिए, ओके? And we are definitely remembering Salman bhai. I hope one day Salman sir will be here and ये stage पे और धूम मचेगी. Guys, but अंतिम फिल्म के लिए and of course for Ayush and Mahima, we have a little cake cutting ceremony. So I would request Principal Ma'am also to join. Ma'am, please, it's a... Guys, Indian film fraternity में एक नए... Guys, this being 25th year of our college, it is very special. And this is also 75th year of India का Amrit Mahotsav, Azadi का Amrit Mahotsav. So it's a huge celebration throughout the year, and we are so happy to have Ayush and Mahima with us on this particular stage. Guys, एक final बार and then we have cake cutting. So एक बार आयुष और महिमा की पूरी टीम के लिए, the SKF टीम के लिए जोरदार तालियां. And एक बार उन सब कोविड वॉरियर्स के लिए जोरदार तालियां जिन्होंने बहुत एफर्ट लिया. And now we have things up and running again. Come on guys, make some noise. So now let's do the honors in Antinga style.
So good afternoon all my students. Okay, today. So we have Ayush and Mahima with us. I have something to say. Deepak had forgotten me, but I wanted to speak for Mahima. Ayush, please excuse me. You are also a very handsome boy. Amitabh said it was I bless you for that. Mahima का थोड़ा बताना चाहती हूँ. Mahima's attendance was 40 to 50% always. That's also a very good attendance. Where some of them don't give at all, doing nothing. She did a lot, and then all the exams that she gave, she did it with flying colors. One incident I want to share with all of you. One day she came running to me, she missed one of the paper because of a shoot, and she was in all those dresses. और मम्मा के साथ आई है, इसकी मम्मी इससे भी ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Actually, her mother is more good looking than her, and she asked me, ma'am, can you help me with that exam? The glitter and the tears that I saw in her eyes, I said, 100% I will allow you for the exam. And a separate paper was made, and she gave the exam. That's my mom. Why I'm saying you is that? Why I'm saying you all this that? She did a lot for her family, she did a lot for the society, she did a lot for the college, and today she stands here. First you require to do something to get something. So that's our Mahima. Hit me, And good morning, on a Sunday night, Deepak calls me and tells me कि सलमान खान आ रहे हैं. तो क्या बात है? सलमान जी आ रहे हैं? पहले तो खुशी की बात है. Immediately हाँ बोल दिया and all the arrangements started. Then I had a certain very important assignment yesterday at 4 o'clock. So I called him back and I asked, Deepak, if it is confirmed, I will cancel my assignment. He said, ma'am, just give me 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it was, no, it's not coming because of the COVID situation. And maybe protocol follow करने के लिए वो सब सारी ठाकुर विलेज, ठाकुर कॉम्प्लेक्स आ जाती थी, इसके लिए वो रोकने के लिए didn't come. But let me tell you, जो भी सलमान खान के जो प्रोडक्शन वाले हैं, मैं भगवान को बहुत प्रार्थना करती हूँ. भगवान नहीं मिलते हैं. आज मुझे सलमान नहीं मिला, कहाँ से भगवान मिलेगा मुझे?
Just a small request. I've been standing on stage and I'm feeling very weird. Yeah, I don't like being here. This whole idea has been looking very cool to me, this student vibe. If you allow, can I go there and take a selfie with everyone?
इधर आयुष भाई लेफ्ट बस अरे ये अभिषेक है ना पहले चले गए अभिषेक एकदम आगे जा रहा ना मोबाइल वाले लोग तो मेरा से मेरा भाई फोटो निकालेंगे तुम इसको नहीं हाँ नहीं निकाले अभी आज कर लो आज निकाल लो सेंटर महिमा वही ना थोड़ा हाथ मम्मा ये मैडम पीछे देख लो ये लोग थोड़ा सा पीछे डन 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 मैडम आप आगे तो एक्सक्यूज मी आप पीछे आइए इधर 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 देखो उनको हटाओ ना पीछे पैदल ले लेना अपने पास राइट में महिमा राइट ऑन योर राइट रह गया मेरा भाई उधर
चल भाई जा
Nice.